In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your project files into GitHub efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey in coding, this guide will provide you with easy to follow steps to upload your work onto one of the most popular platforms for version control and collaboration. First things first, head over to the GitHub website. It's the hub where millions of developers store their projects, collaborate with others, and contribute to open source. Once you're on the home page, you're going to want to access your account. To do this, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will bring you to the login page. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials. Start with your username or email address. These are your identifiers that tell GitHub who you are. After you've input that, the next step is to enter your password. Make sure you type this in correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your login information, it's time to click on the Sign In button to access your GitHub dashboard. This dashboard is your control panel on GitHub. From here, you can manage your repositories, follow projects you're interested in, and keep track of your contributions. Now let's focus on uploading your files to a repository. First, you'll need to select a repository where your files will live. If you've already created a repository for your project, you can find it listed on your dashboard. Click on the repository you want to upload files to. Within your repository, you're going to see an Add File button. Click on this to see a drop-down menu with a few options. For uploading existing files from your computer, you're going to click on Upload Files. This action will bring you to a page where you can add your files to the repository. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a button that says Choose Your Files. Clicking on this allows you to navigate through your computer's file system to find the project files you want to upload. You can select multiple files at once, so don't worry if you have a handful of items to upload. Once you've selected all the files you want to upload, they will be listed on the GitHub page. Before finalizing your upload, you have an opportunity to add a message or description to your commit. This is an important step as it helps document what changes or additions you're making to your repository. It can be something simple like initial project upload, or more detailed notes about the specific changes or updates you've made. After you've filled in the commit message to your satisfaction, the last step is to commit these changes to your repository. Look for the Commit Changes button and give it a click. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files to your GitHub repository. This process is crucial for backing up your work, collaborating with others, and contributing to projects. Remember, GitHub is a powerful tool for developers, and mastering how to navigate and utilize its features will greatly enhance your coding workflow and collaboration opportunities. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. First, make sure you're well organized before you start uploading. Having a clear structure for your files and knowing exactly which ones need to be uploaded can save you time. Also, regularly commit your changes. This habit will ensure that your work is consistently backed up and that your repository accurately reflects the most current state of your project. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to upload files to your GitHub repository seamlessly. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, these steps will ensure that your work is safely stored and easy to share. Happy coding,